Surely, surely.
Ndiramenya ngomba kuhuthira language iriku nigetha tube twerewane no Kenya benjarie na mundu uyu waku makuria Zimbabwe ugwitwo Mukululi. I think Bantu and is almost similar because you know it's your name that I wanted to talk about. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
You are one of the people that will be there at the praise atmosphere.
Yes, indeed.
Welcome to Kenya.
Thank you.
And I love that song, Tambira Yesu. What does that Tambira Yesu mean?
Tambira Jehovah means dance to the Lord.
Dance to the Lord.
Yeah.
And this one, Ichokwadi.
Ichokwadi means the truth.
The truth.
And the song in context means it's true that our God is alive and at work in our lives.
And why are your praise and worship so beautiful that everyone is singing and dancing?
I think it's the spirit behind, you know. The spirit of God cuts through any barrier of language and everything.
Oh, okay.
So people identify with the spirit.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Sasa kutoka, from now, you let us now speak ours. I have spoken your English, now let me speak
Praise
mine. Asante sana, na kuthini wa studio day na bebe wetu Evelyn. Evelyn, hi.
Hi.
How are you? Hemu tukoja wajira tireroli ajirite. Morning Njoro, salimia Evelyn Wanjiru, napenda ngoma zake sana.
Asante sana.
How are you?
Hata mimi nakupenda Njoro.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
No tukwaria Gikuyu tondu iNooro ni amu Gikuyu.
Ndego kumuthi ni kwaria Gikuyu kiothe.
Kabisa. Kwanyu ni gicagi niko?
Gicagi-ini kuria baba aumite.
Ye bas.
Ni Murang'a Kangima.
Fantastic.
Alafu no tuikaraga haria mami ako. Oh Jesus.
One oguo ni
Naikuru.
Ngaici muraikara Naikuru. Kabisa. Jerry, uhoro waku?
Mwega muno mwathani agoco.
Ni manyerete nyimbo ciaku na mwena wa Njiro. I love your songs. Kohana atia?
Muno, kwega biu. Ni ndiri na uru. We ukihana atia?
Ni ndiri na kauru no ndathimitwo.
Amen.
Ni ndurana tu mundu murathime. Twina njamba no gwitwo Covenant.
Nigua.
No ni aimbire andu ake nyuthi wira. Watu wa vinyozi, we are telling him that the barbers have no work if you have no. Tukituthakire rumwe rwa Evelyn Wanjiru nake twinire. Let's dance one song to Wanjiru's and then celebrate. Iyo tugitagirira nigetha riri mucoka mututire uhoro wa igongona ruria praise atmosphere mutwire niki kiratumire nginya mucaria ritwa riu Jerry na niki muratanya muthenya wa rucio ketwa tigwe to celebrate hanini.
Nigua.
DJ